Good morning from the beautiful island of Siargao. Look at all these beautiful Christmas presents behind me. Right? I'm not going to tell you the name of the carrier. However, I'm down at one of the carriers of, through Lazada and Shopee and everything like that, trying to hunt down my one extra ingredient. No, it's not the mustard. It's the Hellmann's mayonnaise. It has shipped. It is on this island. Supposedly they made 3 attempts at my house. No one was home, but everybody's home all day. But this is crazy. You guys see all these packages behind me? Okay. All these packages here. Right. You guys ready for this? These are all return packages to go back to where they came from. The issue and the problem, I'm talking to this gentleman here. He's very nice, very friendly, nice guy. First of all, they don't have enough people to carry packages. They got a sign right here. We're hiring. We are hiring. But they just can't find people to work. Number one issue they have, they want to work, but they don't have a license, and it's required for this specific job. But I think I'm just going to have to kiss my Hellmann's goodbye. I'm going to have to kiss my deviled eggs goodbye this year. It's just the way it is. There's nothing you can do. There's nothing you can do. When you got all these here, look at all that. All that. It's just a Christmas overload. Like Lazada has sales and Christmas sales and New Year's sales. And it comes onto this small island. It's hard to get them all out. But this is the first issue I've ever really had using Lazada and shopping. But wow, isn't that crazy? Look at all that. All that. All that. All right, made it back home. I guess I don't feel bad. Here's why I don't feel bad. All right. Because I always said, I'll bet if the mayor's package arrived, it would be there the same day. And he laughed and he said the mayor was here the other day looking for her package. You can understand something. When things are shipped, you could have the name of Jesus Christ on there. It doesn't matter. They're not looking at a name. They're looking at a tracking number when it comes in. But I said Santa needs to swing by there and pick all them packages up and drop them off. So I guess we're not going to have Philly's famous deviled eggs this year for Christmas, and it's brown out. We had one flash this morning. Now, while we were in town, I noticed generators are running. So I'm going to fire the generator up. Try to fire it up at least once a week. Put a volt, put a load on it, run it for about a half hour, and so when we do have a big brownout or something that lasts days, I know the thing is going to run. So, anyways. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Phoenix Jet A1. Where am I at? Can you guess where I'm at? I'm getting the best Christmas gift we could get this year and every year. This is not arriving at Lazada. This is arriving Philippine airline. We were down here at the airport picking up Hannah Grace to spend her Christmas holiday here down in the province. An ATM machine. Back there, I just noticed, I just noticed as you come in, they have a gate that's down. They have a couple guards there that open it and close it. And I didn't even notice those little restaurants back there. Couple little restaurants. I didn't even notice. Getting back to the gate, I looked. They are charging something new. He told me something new. Garbage fee. They're charging a garbage fee. I guess we'll see when we. Hello. Well, hello. We'll see what it is. Here's some guards right here. Where am I going? Is it changed? Oh, Is this the new waiting area? I guess so. It's a new waiting area?
Yes, sir.
All right, they moved it, huh? From up there down to here.
Yeah.
They moved it.
Over there.
Oh, all right. New waiting area. I guess we'll have to wait here for Hannah, huh? The waiting area used to be down. Oh, I'm looking. Waiting area used to be down that way. So they moved it here. I know they're doing a lot of construction here, so I guess we wait. Here she is.
You gotta pay there.
You gotta pay the environmental fee. Macano? 20 pesos. Hang on, Hannah. You gotta pay a 20 peso environmental fee here. I think you used to pay it inside the terminal, but they've switched it out here. All right. Over here. Here she is. Oh, I think you gotta leave that here, right? Is that okay?
Yes.
Hi. Hello. Grabe ko pa. Hi.
Wait, hang on. All right. We gotta get our selfie in. Oh, hang on.
The crew aren't
Okay,
here.
where's Uncle P?
We went to pee.
Oh, he went to pee. Here. Oh.
The crew are not here.
Wow, are you Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse?
No, that's
For the noise?
Yeah.
From flying?
Yeah.
You don't like the noise?
I don't.
Oh, all right.
The crew aren't here.
No, we brought the motorbikes. We didn't bring the trike, we brought the motorbike.
Wow, ang cute naman ito. That's so cute.
Wow.
Where did you get this? It's a gift. It's a gift?
Oh, did you see
See
Mama?
you again.
What about
Oh,
Mama?
did you bless your Lola or Mommy or? Walang bless, di ba siya matanda? Oh yeah, that's Mom. We're waiting for Miguel.
Oh, look at all these people coming in from Angeles City. This is a direct flight from Angeles City down to Siargao. Philippine Airlines leaves at 2, give or take, in the afternoon and arrives here at 4:20, give or take. Direct flight from Angeles City. So all these people are coming from Angeles City to experience the beauty of Siargao Island. Hannah, I have to ask you something.
Yeah.
Do you smell that?
Yeah, I did. That was the first thing that I smelled.
What
when
did you
I came.
smell?
Like a paint.
No, not that.
What?
Oh, smell that? That's province air.
Oh, I thought the paint.
May sakyanan ka mo, ma'am?
Opo.
Province air. But she's right. There was a gate that they had just painted right there as she came through. Province air. The mosquitoes are looking for city blood.
I was trying to see if I could see the house when I'm
You came in this way.
Yeah.
Right. If you'd have came in that way, you'd have came and you would have seen the pier. But because you came in the other way,
I did not.
you didn't see the pier.
I was
Yeah.
I was trying to find the house.
Wow, there she is, Bachoy and Rocky.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Wow!
Wow.
Ay!
Attention!
Wow!
Wow. Here comes the 4 soldiers.
What's the occasion?
Wow. Kyuki got dressed up to
Yeah.
see Hannah.
Wow! Look at you! Hindi ka man lang nag-prepare? Ba't ganyan suot mo? Did you bless your ate?
Noon.
Ay, pati kuya ko ton.
Fallen.
No bless. He's still not I still single.
No, still single, no bless.
Di ba itong outfit mo? Yung sa suot mo.
Ang
pagpakasalam mo.
They're fighting.
They're fighting already. Oh.
Kunin mo.
Ganda-ganda na outfit ko.
Because of the outfit.
Uy,
Oh, why?
ang medyas mo dalawa. Hoy! Pwede na ako puti.
Look at, they're talking about the medyas, the purple one.
She's Shrek. Shrek.
But maganda naman
Wow.
anything in purple, it's okay. Because
Yeah, 'cause it's
ano,
black
it's
and
black. So it's fine.
Purple. Wait, her headpiece is purple.
Oh,
Yeah,
diba?
exactly. Your
Ah,
piece is
diba?
purple.
Bukod sa lang yan. Ay, naligo!
Did you
Bawal
take a
ba
bath?
Oo.
Oh, finally.
Wow.
Finally take a
Ikaw!
bath.
Ay, 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 ay!
Hannah's bringing gifts.
Ito gusto ko to. Sa'yo, gabi.
Clothes.
Yung malaki man yan sa'yo.
Are you stealing your daughter's clothes?
Yeah. Why?
Imara kang painin.
Ito maganda siya.
Ako ba ni mawawak?
Ito, ito
Ito
cute.
kay Ling Ling Ling.
Wow, Nene.
Ito magsuot ng ano.
New outfit, Nene.
Kay
Hala
Ling
ka mo,
Ling.
cute.
Aling
Ano
ay
yun?
na Di ako dun, te. Buwag naman. Kapag tumuka na ko.
Nene in a dress.
Ano, te? Ayaw.
Oh, wow, nice purse, Nene.
Wait,
Uh-oh, Kuki. Kuki's new outfit. Wow.
Ano ka na?
Kuki's new TikTok outfit.
Ano ka cute?
Ay, dako.
Panalatan na. Uy, maganda man siya.
Uh-oh, yeah.
Wait.
That's Nene's style right there.
Ito kay Nini to, kay Nini. Bagay pa naman sa akin to.
Ano?
Bagay pa.
Ay, kasi uya ko.
Ay, di ba niya?
Ano? Ling ito din ang pamuli.
What's going on? What's going on?
No, that's Tente.
Oh, that's wow. She's a Coco Cabana.
Nay, oh! Nay, you need to try your skirt.
Nee, you gotta try your skirt on, Nee.
Gonna try
That's
your skirt.
Nene's style right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ayan, this. Ano?
We got Hannah here and we're putting her right to work. What do you want?
Kinilaw.
Kinilaw. Why do you want Kinilaw?
Because it's my favorite.
Because it's her favorite. Is it your favorite there?
Yeah.
Yeah? 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 What about the cat?
I can only eat kinilaw when I'm here.
She can only eat Kinilaw when she's here because she can't find good fresh fish up in the city.
Because
We-
kinilaw, it must be very fresh because it's raw. You only
Right.
cook it with vinegar.
All right.
I'm okay.
And chicken. We're having chicken. I'm having chicken. Somebody's having chicken. What did you want last time you were here?
Kinilaw.
I thought you wanted Miguel to go out and get some fish. Was that for Kinilaw?
Yes. that
Oh,
was
all right, yeah.
kinilaw.
Ay, yeah, what? Can you see?
What?
Kabastos hele. Ano was it?
Picking your butt.
Yeah.
Got a wedgie?
Yeah.
Kinilaw.
And only
Kinilaw made by Grandma. Grandma makes the best Kinilaw.
I'm not supposed to eat this.
Vinegar.
Yeah.
Hannah has a stomach issue when she eats vinegar,
How about this? You
so
don't
she's
like
got to
this?
watch what she eats. What about root
You
crops?
don't want root crops? I thought
No
you
root
love
crops.
I do eat root
All right,
crops.
let's give it a taste, Hannah.
Hindi-
See if it tastes
You
mozzarella.
don't use fork?
No, we use hands here.
Do you think it's Pampanga?
You think you are in the city? think you're in the city, Hannah, huh?
Still the best.
Mozzarella, still
Yeah.
the best.
No. Actually,
What?
even before, she don't use her
Yeah,
hands.
she always
don't know
does.
how
Yeah,
to use.
she knows how. She just used to eating with
Ma,
forks. What's wrong?
naano ako.
Nabukog? She said she got stuck on the fish.
Oo nga.
You don't even start eating it.
Took it out.
Yeah. What a city slicker.